today's video is going to be a little different than the ones I've been making. It's not really going to be a DIY. Kind of just figured I'd film a real quick video because I got something pretty cool in the mail. I'm sure some of you probably know about it. Some of you that have these trucks probably don't know about it. But I'm heading to the store real quick to get something for the fam. And once I stop and I'm able to use my hands, I will show you guys what I got. And real quick, if you guys have been watching the past few videos, if you've seen inside the truck, you notice the dash bezel is off. That's because it's sitting back there, it's not broken. That's because I had to swap the cluster back out. The one that I had, I didn't solder one of the connections I need to solder, and it died. Like, all the power just left it, so I have to get back in there and figure out which one that is and then resolder it. And I should be able to put it back in. But I'm at the store right now. I'm gonna run in and grab some stuff, and then I'll be back out and show you what I got. All right, so back on the road again. Okay, so here we are. Figured I'd stop somewhere, show you guys what I got. So this here, I mean, it says right there, it's Truck Legends. If you guys don't know, if you have one of these trucks, I think it's really any Chevy truck, you can go to ChevyTruckLegends.com and sign your truck up, and it'll ask you like how many miles, how many trucks you've owned, you know, all that good stuff. And it'll actually send you a cool little care package just for signing up. At least I think so. I mean, I got one, and I've seen a couple people that they get it and they get a cool little care package. So I'm gonna open this up and see what they sent me. I'm pretty sure they're all different, so don't expect to get exactly what I got. But first off, I love this box. Like, that's just cool. It's got all the different emblems they've ever used throughout the years, and I actually can keep this box. But I started to open it at the house, and my wife made it a good point that I should probably unbox it, so I figured I should make a real quick little video on that. So pop it open, and then you've got this little letter in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got some stickers. All right, so this one shows how many trucks you've owned. That's cool. It comes with different little stickers put on there. Then 300,000 mile stickers, because as you can see, my truck's got 310 at the moment. Oh, looks like it gives you 200,000 mile and 100,000 mile stickers. So probably if you have a 400,000 or 500,000 mile truck, you're gonna get a whole bunch of these little stickers. And these, it says 10 collector cards. These up. All right, so these are cool. Different trucks throughout the years. Wonder if it's got the cat eye in here. There's a 99. It's a round eye. Straight to the 2007. Oh well. I guess it was just, the cat eye is technically kind of like a half year type deal, just where they redesigned the front end, but the truck's still basically the same, so they probably just skipped a generation. But still, enough. That's cool. So I got all that, and then I got this hat, which I like hats. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a big hat guy, so that's cool. That'll be a cool addition to the collection. But that looks like it, which is, I think, really cool, considering I didn't buy any of this stuff. It's all stuff they send you just for signing up for this, I guess, for showing that your Chevy truck is a survivor, I guess. Again, I'll leave that in the description down below, the site you can go to sign up for this if you have one of these trucks and you want one of these, or just want to share that your truck has, you know, however many miles. I don't really think it matters how many miles. It might be 100,000. I think that might be the limit, unless you have like a super new truck. But either way, I think it's cool. That's really all I wanted to show. Just unboxing this. I thought it was really cool. Figured you guys would like to see it. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this point of view type thing and me driving around. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more stuff like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this short little video, and I will see you guys next time.